Hello, my name is Alan. I am a senior technician with Indesit company. I have over 15 years experience helping customers with their dishwashers. At Indesit company, we design and manufacture our appliances to provide many trouble-free years of service to our customers. But there are also a few things you can do yourself to help ensure your appliance operates to its full potential, or to help resolve any common user issues. This film covers how to deal with refilling the salt container on your dishwasher. How you will know there's a problem. Scale build-up on the inside of the dishwasher and poor wash results. This issue is usually caused by not maintaining salt levels in the dishwasher if you are in a hard water area. To identify the water hardness area that you live in, please contact your local water board, then refer to your user handbook for the correct settings. What to do? Step 1. Remove the salt cap. Step 2. Place the funnel over the top, pour in the dishwasher salt until it is full. As you pour the salt in, water will come out. This is normal. Step 3. Run a pre-wash afterwards with the dishwasher empty to get rid of any salt residue. If you are still experiencing problems, please refer to your user handbook, which can also be downloaded from the user handbook section on our website. Remember, spares can also be obtained from our website, as well as care products for a range of kitchen appliances. Recap. Remove salt cap. Use funnel to pour in dishwasher salt. Run a pre-wash.